This is a Dacia Bigster. I know it's a bit of a cartoony name that will probably make you mumble when you tell people what kind of car you drive. But this thing is a large SUV that starts under £25,000 in the UK, and the entire range is under 30 grand. That's a big SUV for hatchback money. So is the Bigster value for money, or is it just cheap? Well, I've got 24 hours with it here in the south of France, so I'm going to test it in as many places as I can. From motorways, I have had faster 3-course meals, to mountain roads, to big geography, to urban sprawl. Everybody's trying to kill me. It's time for a big day out in a Bigster. But before we get into all that, first of all, I want to have a quick chat about how the Bigster looks, because it's longer and taller than a Duster, but exactly the same width. And it's also based on the same platform underneath. So it's basically a maximalist Duster. Or is it? It's obviously got the same Y-shape obsession as the other cars in Dacia's refreshed ranges, and then this grille with the big DC in the middle is obviously common to all of them. But the car is noticeably taller, and this front grille is a lot deeper. From the side, it is a lot more obvious that it's longer, and it's got the same kind of belt line of plastic cladding and wheel arches that go all the way down the car, and the same hidden rear door handles as the smaller car. So at this point, it just seems like Dacia went up 5 points on the photocopier. One thing I have noticed is that this car is full of nice little details. See these roof bars? Well, they're actually modular, albeit an option. You can have them lengthways like this, like normal roof bars, and then switch them so that they're crossways for mounting a roof box. Clever. And that ring of plastics that I was talking about that goes all around the front bumper, down the sides and round the back, it's made from a slightly speckly coloured plastic called Starkle, which Dacia invented. Now it's partially recycled, which is good for the environment, but also it's the same colour all the way through. So you'll still get the scratch, it just won't show up as much. You can have front or four-wheel drive, although I do think this car looks like it rides slightly high at the rear. But maybe that's just me. Then round the back, it's got the same double tip spoiler as the Duster and the same sort of triangular Y-shaped taillights as its little brother, but like the front, the lower part of the rear bumper is a lot deeper than on the smaller car.